Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. It's a really simple design, just a simple thank you card. I just love this sort of very simple design on the, you've got the diamond shape here and then just a very simple, easy to replicate design, but I think it looks nice. And all the patterns for the paper are all from the same collection, which is Ink Botanicals. So let's start off with some stamping. We're going to be stamping in Calypso Coral ink, and the stamp set we're going to use is Phrases for All. I'm using the sentiment here that says thank you. So let's ink this up. Let's see if we can get a nice impression. It's always good if everything is straight. Down, hold. Yeah, there we go, thank you. I love the set. For some reason it gives me very Art Deco vibes. I don't know about you, but it does for me. 1930 Art Deco. So clean that up before something falls on it, because it's been known to happen on a fairly regular occasion. So let's leave our sentiment to dry for a second and we can assemble the rest of our card. So let's bring in everything. Our card base here is Lost Lagoon, and this is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of the Ink Botanicals Designer Series paper, and we're going to be using the Calypso Coral side. This side is absolutely gorgeous as well. It's a lovely set of papers, really, really pretty. Okay, and this is Calypso Coral with a little bit of pink in it as well, really pretty. Okay, and then I've got a strip here of Calypso Coral cardstock, pattern paper from the same collection, and this measures about 2.5 centimeters by 14 centimeters, something like that. And we're just going to pen at the ends using this lovely punch, which is the Banner's Picker Punch. Makes penning the ends so easy. Look at that, perfect, lovely. I really love this punch. You'll have seen me use it 1,000,001 times. It really is a favourite of mine, and this is just going to go across the centre here. So let's put some adhesive on the back, and look at that lovely pattern on the back. This is actually a piece of scrap from another card I made, so this is, things like these are a great way to use up your scraps. And we always want to use up our scraps, we don't want to waste. So this is making things like banners to put on your card. It's a great way to use it. Just try and get it straight, obviously. That will do. Is it straight? No, this is really not straight. Well, let's just try and lever it up a bit and see if we can do a better job than that. Okay, somewhere around here. No. Not having much luck today, am I? Yeah, it's going to stay there like that. So I have here a piece of very vanilla cardstock. I don't think I said our stamping was also on a scrap piece of very vanilla, because I felt it just matched the colours in the collection, which includes very vanilla. So we're going to put this piece on the inside of our card, just like that. And then we have here a piece of Designer Series paper, and this is going to be for our little diamond shape here. Now I haven't cut this down, which I normally would have done, so let's move all of our pieces out the way and bring in our trimmer, and we can do some cutting. Sorry about the noise. Now I don't know what I cut this piece down to, so let me find a ruler. And see what it measures. About 7 centimeters square, I think. Let me check my notes, since I write everything down, as you can see here on my notes. Yeah, about 7 centimeters square, but all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website, so don't worry about that. You'll find them all sitting there, and the link to that is in the description box below. So then we need a little piece that measures about 7.5 centimeters to mount it on. I'm just doing a square. Okay, so that's that, and then we're going to just cut down while we're here our sentiment. And I'm just doing this freehand using the trimmer. Yeah, that will do. Okay, move that aside. Got a scrap piece here of Lost Lagoon, and we are just going to map this on here. So let's stick this down. Oh, sorry, craft papers all over the place. I mean the grip mats. So let's just put this down like that. Take your scissors. I find if you have a long scissors with a longer blade, it really does help to do this. Just like that. That will do. No, it won't. I'm not happy. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, those are scraps for another project. Let's stick down our piece here of designer series paper. Lovely. So bring back our card and I'm going to decide on our placement. I think like that will be nice. And then I'm actually going to just look for a piece. No, it's okay. I'll stick this down and prop up the others. On my original, I popped this up, but I used some adhesive foam sheet to do that instead of lots of individual dimensionals. Okay, there we have that. Now let's pop this up. So let's find some dimensionals. Here they are. And as you know, I'm generous with my dimensionals. I don't want this popping off somewhere else. So I think we need another one there. Yeah. Get rid of all these backings. Bane of my life, I find these backings. However hard I try to keep them in the bin, they seem to migrate all over the house. Do you find that? Let me know. I can't be the only one with dimensional backings that's like to go on a grand tour of my house. So that's what we've got so far. So finishing touches, I've got these glossy dots. Now last time I used the yellow, I think I'm going to use the bluey ones this time. And just put a few like that. And then is your card done. So let's clear the decks. There you go, the two different patterns. Let me know what you think. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, supply list, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are on the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.